Good morning, dear student. So let's start with our unit 2 of computer, that is introduction of Java. So before that, history of Java. Okay, so how Java is developed, who developed Java. So Java language is developed in 1991 in the form of project. Okay, they have decided to develop a high level language program for which is platform independent. So Java programming language was written by James Gosling along with the two person Mike Shedden and Patrick Naughton while they were working at Sun Microsystem. In earlier, some microsystem want to register his language with the name Oak. Okay, first the Java was named as Oak language. And why it is named as Oak language? Because oak is the name of the tree which is placed outside the office of James Gosling. Okay, so most of the time when he was developing the language, so he was watching at that big oak tree outside his office. So when he developed the language, he named his language Oak. But later the project went by the name Green and was finally renamed by Java from Java office. So here's the picture of James Gosling. Next, what is the introduction of Java programming? What is a Java programming actually? Okay, so Java was developed by Sun Microsystem in 1991, later acquired by, उसको बाद में किसने ले लिया? Oracle Corporation ने. It was developed by James Gosling and Patrick Naughton. It is a simple programming language. Writing, compiling and debugging a program is easy in Java because it's a very easy language. So we have to just simply write the program, we can compile the program, debug the program and it execute it. It helps to create modular program and reusable code. ठीक है, छोटे छोटे प्रोग्राम्स जिनको हम एक बार बना के बार बार यूज कर सकते हैं, reusable language है. And one more point that I want to add over here, it is the platform independent language. And how it is platform independent, that we will discuss in this chapter. ठीक है, what are the important features of Java language? ठीक है, Java is very simple language. ठीक है, बहुत easy language है क्योंकि इसमें हम English high level language है. So we can use English alphabet, letters, characters, digits, numbers, etc. It is a platform independent language, means it can be built on any platform and so we can run it in any other platform. ठीक है, so how it is platform independent, it is a very important point that we'll discuss in this chapter. आर्किटेक्चर न्यूट्रल इज सेम. प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंट मीन्स जिस सिस्टम पे बना है उसके आर्किटेक्चर पे डिपेंड नहीं करता है. बिफोर दैट मेनी ऑफ द लैंग्वेजेस आर्किटेक्चर डिपेंडेंट. ठीक है, मीन्स अगर वो विंडोज पे बनी होंगी तो किसी और ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम पे नहीं रन करेंगी, मगर इट इज आर्किटेक्चर न्यूट्रल. पोर्टेबल मीन्स वेरी इजी. मल्टी थ्रेडिंग मीन्स बहुत सारे program, a big program is divided into simple small modules which is known as thread, and multiple threads can run in it. It is distributed. ठीक है, distributed means हम network पे बना सकते हैं, networked also. applets हम बनाते हैं, Java applets. robust है means, रोबोस्ट मीन्स क्या है, इजीली हम इसे क्या कर सकते हैं, डिबग कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, डायनेमिक लैंग्वेज है, सिक्योर्ड है, इसमें सिक्योरिटी फीचर्स हैं, हाई परफॉर्मेंस है लैंग्वेज की, इजीली डिबग हो जाता है, हम इजीली इसको रन कर सकते हैं. इंटरप्रेटेड है, इसमें इंटरप्रेटर है एंड ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड है. ठीक है, ये तो मेन पॉइंट है कि इट इज ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग. नेक्स्ट वी हैव compiler and interpreter. So you know that every language, that because it is a high level language, we are using human understandable code in Java, but our computer doesn't understand human language. So in this language we need a compiler and an interpreter. They both are program translator. The language which we are writing in our own language, it first convert it into a computer understandable language. ठीक है, जो भी हम लैंग्वेज, क्योंकि हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज है, हम इसमें अपने लैंग्वेज में ह्यूमंस ABCD और करेक्टर्स डिजिट्स को यूज़ करके प्रोग्राम लिख रहे हैं जो हमें समझ में आता है, मगर कंप्यूटर को नहीं समझ में आता है. तो हमें एक ट्रांसलेटर चाहिए जो इसको क्या करेगा, कंप्यूटर को अंडरस्टैंड, जिस लैंग्वेज को कंप्यूटर समझ सके उस लैंग्वेज में से कन्वर्ट करेगा, तो हमें कंपाइलर और इंटरप्रेटर चाहिए इसमें, ठीक है। देखिए, कंपाइलर और इंटरप्रेटर आर टू डिफरेंट वेज टू एग्जीक्यूट अ प्रोग्राम रिटन इन अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज और स्क्रिप्टिंग लैंग्वेज। कंपाइलर इंटरप्रेटर बोथ आर लैंग्वेज ट्रांसलेटर, ठीक है, दोनों का काम एक ही है, बट देयर मोड ऑफ वर्किंग इज different. A compiler takes an entire program and convert it into object code, which is typically stored in a file. The object code is also referred as binary code and can be directly executed by the machine after लिंकिंग। देखिए, सपोज क्या है, यही वाला पेज है, ये हमने ह्यूमन अंडरस्टैंडेबल लैंग्वेज में लिखा हुआ है, बट कंप्यूटर डजंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज COM. So how compiler convert it into a machine in understandable language? Compiler converts the whole program at once and create a object code. Object code means binary code which is easily understand by the computer. So we have C and C++ जिसमें compilers होते हैं, ठीक है, compiled language. Interpreter क्या करता है, line by line एक एक लाइन को पढ़ेगा, convert it into a machine understandable language, then it will come to the next line like that way, ठीक है. So up to here we'll discuss today. Next part we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you.